And we back with a G-body, guys. 1987 Oldsmobile 442. Technically the last performance model Oldsmobile ever made. She's a piece of history. This one is going to be listed as a semi-project. She can use paint and body. She has opportunity in the lower rockers and a couple of spots in the floor pans. But she has overall great potential. The G-body platform is the best car platform to build on. All the parts are readily available at an affordable cost, and most of all the parts interchange. She has the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. If you know about the 442, it was revived on the G-body platform in 85 after the 83 and 84 Herstos was discontinued. Oldsmobile wanted to offer the public a performance model, so they revived the 442 and they built it on the Cutlass Salon platform for the 85 and 86 model year. The 87 model year was built on the less expensive Cutlass Supreme platform because they was focused on moving to the new front-wheel drive N platform. She has a little few spots in the lower rockers. And the Regal and Cutlass doors are interchangeable. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good condition. She got power windows, power locks, sport gauges, bucket seats, console with floor mounted shifter, headliner, back seat in good condition, package tray. Check out the dash. Mileage reads a little over 43,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is in good shape. She has the 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, cruise control, power steering, AC, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We got financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. You can't go wrong with a G-body, guys.